What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey with this Corolla. So we are to the finishing. We're almost to the finish line. A couple more touches we need to do today. I actually finished all the interior. I've been literally extracting on this interior because there was just so much nicotine. But at the end of the day, my job is to make sure this car is fully clean and everything. So this has been an awesome project, a very freaking I have had a lot of fun with this car, from how it looked to how it looks now. It's amazing. I'm very happy. I'm blessed to have an opportunity to work on this car. So the last step, if you're just starting detailing, or in general, if you are a do-it-yourself detailer or whatever the case may be, something very important to have, or an amazing machine to have, is a ozone generator, and that is the last step to finishing this car. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, so pretty much the ozone generator I'm gonna be using, I purchased from Amazon. I think I paid about $90 for it on Amazon. I got it next day shipping, so it got here literally the next day. But check it out, it's this one right here. And of course, you guys know how much I love orange, so I went ahead and got the orange one. That's probably why I paid a little bit more. There's also all sorts of generators out there, from lower end models to obviously high end models. Obviously the higher end model you go, I believe maybe the less ozones you would have to do. But it also it's up to preference, to be honest, the ozone generator you want to use. The beauty of an ozone generator is once you finish cleaning an area, you can use an ozone generator to pretty much diminish the odor, remove the odor from the vehicles, and that helps truly a lot in these kinds of scenarios, like this one that was really smoked in. I'm gonna do about 3 treatments of ozone. You can do 30-minute intervals. You'll stop, open the doors up, and so forth. Honestly, I'm gonna do about a 45-minute ozone, and then I'm gonna let the vehicle just breathe, do its thing, and then we're gonna come back and do another one repeatedly 3 times, and I believe that should get the job done. So if you've never used an ozone, this is how I do it. Of course, correct me if I'm wrong. So if you're on the other side that you use ozone generators on the daily, hey, feel free to leave a comment down below if I missed a step, or tell me how you do it. Nothing wrong with that. So let's get right to it. So pretty much one of the beauties I like about it is this one goes, obviously I think it goes from 10 minutes up to 125 minutes, so over 2 hours of runtime if you wish. Obviously the bigger the area, maybe you would want to run it more. Another thing I actually like about this one, it comes with a it gives you the temperature outside. So right now it's 50 degrees, but it doesn't feel like it because I'm cold. It feels like 30 to me. And it also gives you the percentage of humidity. So right now it's about 48.2% of humidity. You always want to do ozones when the humidity is the lowest. That way it performs really nicely. But for the scenario of this case, I believe we're right on the money, where it's perfectly done, perfect timing for my ozone. And that's what we're going to do. So right now, when you do ozones, you want to have the vehicle on at all times. Or, if you want to have it off, that's okay. But preferably vehicle on, AC full blast, with the circulation coming out in. That way it gives you a better performance. I've also switched the cabin air filter so we can get a quality air also. So that's what we're going to do. It's very simple, guys, to put in. And I'm going to leave the phone right there, and then I'm going to just kind of talk and show you a little bit of how I do it. Alright, so you plug it in, vehicle on. So all you do, I usually tend to always open the glove boxes. I open the glove boxes as well as the trunk. Alright, and I guess let me get the camera and give you guys a sneak peek of this car. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open the trunk. Gotta give it one last vacuum today or tomorrow. Alright, you want to make sure your seats are down. That way the ozone treatment goes all the way in there. Bring all the seats out. Bring them down, bring them down. Go up here. Perfect. And that's it. Alright. So now, watch me drop this phone. We should be good. Alright. So now it's time to get the ozone in there and get that going. So we've opened up all the glove boxes. I opened everything, the center console, open the back, pull the seats down. That way everything gets the ozone treatment, okay? And I usually tend to leave the window cracked just a little bit. That way you get air flowing in, and that just helps it. So here we go. Real simple. It's plug and play with the ozone. There's a little spot back here. Plug it in. We're all set. I tend to usually pull the cord in here. And I'm going to do 45 minutes. And you never want to be inhaling this. So hold your breath. Put it in there. Let me close that door over there. Alright, let's do my checklist real quick. AC on. Perfect. So I'm going to do 45 minutes. The ozone's on already. Woo. And that's it, guys. Let me bring you guys in. But now I have the ozone generator running in there. Everything is open, as you guys can see. The glove box. Alright, we got everything. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Let me do it real quickly. Roll your window down. Make sure you don't inhale this, or try not to, because this is strong. Alright, window is cracked just a little bit, and that's it. Alright guys, so hopefully this review kind of helped you guys out if you've been looking into a new ozone generator, or if you don't have one. This is a very budget friendly generator that won't break the bank. So I'll be posting the link down below where I bought it, obviously Amazon. Check the link down below, and hopefully this generator helps your business or any scenario in your house, in your other vehicles, to kind of clean them up. So God bless y'all. We'll see you for the grand finale of this Corolla.